Hello and welcome students. I am here again with a new lesson. This syllabus is from Maharashtra State Board. We are going to learn Standard 3rd, Subject English, Unit 1, Chapter number 6, In a Biscuit Factory. Students, do you like eating biscuits? I like very much, but I don't know how biscuits are made. So let us see in this chapter how biscuits are made in biscuit factory. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shop. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let us find. So children, let us find the process of making biscuits in a factory. Get a recipe. Here, get a recipe means that there is a set of instruction for preparing the biscuits. Get the ingredients that go in a biscuit. Here, get the ingredients means things which are needed to make a biscuit. Decide how much of each to use. Wedge each ingredients. Here, it tells that each and every ingredient which is used in a biscuit should be measured in proper quantity to mix. Mix the things and make a dough. Knead the dough. Here, knead the dough means preparing the dough in such a way that the biscuit which will come out of it will become more crisp. Roll out the dough. Cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. Here, the biscuits are given shape. Bake the dough shapes in an oven. Here, the biscuits are baked. Cool the ready biscuits. Here, the biscuits are left to be cool. See if the biscuits are done, baked properly. Here, you have to check whether the biscuits are baked or not. Pack the biscuits into packets. You see different types of packet, children, of biscuits, isn't it? And so lastly, when your biscuits are done, that time the biscuits are packed into beautiful packets. Store and sell the packets. Means your biscuits are ready in the store and you can buy and eat it. Come on children, let's see the hard words and their meanings. First word, factory. Factory means a place where goods are made. Second, recipe. Recipe means a set of instruction for preparing a dish. Dough. Dough means a mixture of flour and water. Thank you children for watching the video. We will meet in our next video.